Hello friends, I am Bala Sahib and today we are going to discuss about the quality of success. See, success is accomplishment of somebody's goal, but defining the quality of success is very difficult thing and I am not good enough to do that. But I'll give my views on the quality of success. My friends, this COVID-19 impacted in all the ways. It ruined our life halfway, and then it has impacted on the regular routines, that family circles, friend circles, uh, everything. But this bad time eventually give you the chance to check your abilities to stand firm in the bad time. This I call it as what? Quality of success. Quality of success for me is the ability to handle the bad time. And here we are going to discuss how I managed it and a few of the things that what can I share with you, how to cope up with these things what I am doing regularly in my life, to have a peaceful life, you can call it as, right, or to maintain the success whatever you are having with you. First of all, as and I'll clear one thing, that success is not inherent nor the failure, but the knowledge is. So application of knowledge will prolong your success rate. That you have to keep in mind. Somewhere I read that, somewhere it was written on the wall that ए मुसाफिर अंधेरे से मत घबराना, ए मुसाफिर अंधेरे से मत घबराना क्योंकि सितारे अंधेरे में ही चमकते हैं. Now these lines are for you, for me, for everyone, for us, right? So you should stand firm in this bad condition, and this is going to decide the whatever goal or success you are going to achieve in the future, how long you are going to hold it. That depends on the quality of, means the ability to handle the bad time, right? And my friend, see, the knowledge is inherent, as I said that. So you try to get the knowledge and then you mold that knowledge to get the success. That is the mool mantra. When I came to know that, see, a sentence I follow from the Socrates is that I know only one thing, that I know nothing. See, it is very simple sentence, but it has given me a loop, right? This sentence, that I know only one thing, that I know nothing, has become a sentence of my life, and that keeps me in the loop of getting the knowledge and sharing it. My friend, I started to cope up three things in my life. One is I made my life inventive and innovative. Then I worked on the social ethics, and then I tried to, right, give something from my side to my country, means pride in the country. So three things I keep in my mind. First one is the invention and innovation, second social ethics, and third is the pride in the country. These three things you have to work it out. Now, the what is invention and innovation? Invention is the things is the thing that happens once, right? So that is first time once, that we call as what? Invention. And innovation is the continuous process of enhancement, that we call as what? Innovation. So my friends, what you have to do is that you have to mold your life along with this innovation and invention. As you keep molding your life, whatever work you do in your life, day to day's work, try to work it out along the guidance of invention and innovation. Whatever work you do, try to improve it, try to enhance it, and try to get the better results, right? So that will lead your life, it will ease your life, and it creates the interest in the work which you are doing. So that is the invention and innovation. Second thing, social ethics. My friends, when you will be doing the invention and innovation, as I said, that it is the getting the results in a proper way and enhancing the technique what you are using in day-to-day's life. But this social ethics will come there, right? It plays a role there. Now, when you will be doing a better work to get the better result, Now you can easily get two things there. One is smart work, another one is hard work. Now which one you think that is better? You can give that, right, your views on smart work and hard work in the comment box. But for me, smart work is something which is not greater than hard work, but it is equal to the hard work. But here the application of knowledge and the time management is going to play a major role deciding the hard work and smart work. So whatever work you are doing, if you are managing the time and if you are applying the knowledge in a proper channel to get that work done in prescribed time or within that time with less effort, that I call it as what? Smart work. But while doing smart work, one should make sure that you are not compromising with the social ethics or with the work values, right? To get the results, don't go for the shortcuts. Please try to get the results in a proper way through the proper channel, but try to manage the time. That we call it as what? Smart work. So here that social ethics plays a major role. So whatever goal you are establishing, please keep or make sure you are not harming the social ethics, or you are not harming the work values, or not compromising with the work values. That you have to keep in mind, right, while doing any kind of a work. Now the third thing is pride in the country. For me, what is pride in the country? For me, see, whatever product we are developing, or whatever the work we are doing in our country, or whatever the quality of product we are giving to the country, that should be of a better quality. And then responsible behavior and the quality product are the that those are the patriotic thing for me. Now whatever work I am doing, as I said, that I has to do it for my country and for the betterment of my country, and with the responsible behavior. That is the pride of my pride in the country, and then that is the patriotism for me. Now anything made in the country carries the respect and dignity from everyone, right? And one should set the goal, as I said, that keeping the society in the mind, keeping the country in the mind. The whatever the achievement we are going to have, those should benefit our country. That is the pride in the country. And whatever things I am doing, right, I always try to give a better quality in that, and I always try to behave responsibly, so that the things or the knowledge what I am having should useful for my country. And if I want to elaborate this term pride in the country in the Hindi, हर उस चीज़ का सम्मान करें जो इस देश में बनाई जाती है। हर उस व्यक्ति विशेष का आदर और सम्मान हो जो इस देश में रहता है। दर्जेदार उत्पादन और देश हित से जुड़ा व्यवहार या कोई भी काम देश को उन्नति की ओर ले जाएगा। कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता। अगर छोटे काम को ही आप अपने समाज को, अपने परिवार को, अपने देश को हित में रख के अगर उस काम को करोगे तो सफलता आपके पैर, आपके कदम चूमेगी, और वो छोटा काम भी एक बड़ा महान काम बन जाएगा। तो इस बात को ध्यान रखें, और मेरी जो सलाह है या फिर मेरी जो सोच है, उस सोच को समझने की कोशिश करें। This is what I can conclude. This is how I try to get the success, and I try to hold it for the longer time. सक्सेस कभी ज़्यादा देर तक टिका नहीं रह सकता, ना ही फेलियर टिका रह सकता है। टिका रहेगा तो है आपका नॉलेज, आपका ज्ञान, आपका इल्म। So my friend, this is what it is there from my side. Thank you.